Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. I'm super excited. Guess what I got a couple of days ago? And I'm finally getting a chance to film it, and I did not peek, even though I guess technically I know what's in the box already because I'm an annual subscriber and they let you pick everything. But nevertheless, I'm super excited to finally open the box. So this is what she looks like, and we are going to dig in a second. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Aisha. I do all things makeup related on this channel. Lots of unboxings. I do lots of makeup hauls. I do subscription unboxings, mystery boxes, all that fun stuff. So if that's things that you guys like to watch, then do your girl a solid, do me a little favor and show your girl some love and like this video. And I mean, if you're feeling extra generous today, you could even subscribe and give your girl another subscriber. I am trying to get to 2,000 subscribers, so I'm almost there. So I appreciate any support from any of my fellow people on that other side of the screen. We are a family on this channel. So I'm gonna get into this box, but as always, you know what I say. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, you all know what to do. Just keep on watching. Guys, so I know you guys are like, Aisha, what's with the orange backdrop? What's with the spooky shirt? It's not October yet. It's just September, girl, relax. I am a fall baby and I love Halloween and I just can't wait. I can't wait. I just need everything to just speed up. Hopefully September goes fast, but not too fast because it's my birthday month and I celebrate literally the whole month. But that's why I have the orange backdrop and I have the spooky shirt, because I am here and ready for fall season. I'm ready for fall activities and I'm ready for spooky fun. So that's the explanation for that. And then now we're just going to get into the unboxing because that's what you guys all came here for. So as you guys know, a while ago they changed the packaging. The boxes are not as big anymore. They're a little bit smaller. When you open the box up, it says this box is made of 100% recycled craft material. So I think they, change the formula of the box. It has 2 flaps on it when you open her up like so. Well, first off, I love like the leaves on the box. I love the presentation going into fall. Obviously, this is the fall box. They always give you like a little booklet of things and like coupons for stuff. And then, let me see, this is something to cover. And then let's try to give you guys a sneak peek. Alrighty, let's get into everything. So let's see. I got some coupons here. I got something for Daily Harvest and something for like a book club for kids. And I got this wonderful FabFitFun book. So let's take a quick little peek of the book. The book normally talks about like items you have in the box, how much they cost, other things you could have got in your box as well, and like fall tips and tricks. They have like cooking recipes, and it's a lifestyle box, so it's like a whole bunch of lifestyle stuff in here. Let's see here what we have. Yeah, so like it shows you all the things you could have got in your box. It's not always what is in the picture you got because a lot of this stuff here I didn't choose. I am an annual subscriber. The reason why I do like being an annual subscriber, I'm going to tell you why. Our boxes get shipped out priority like first before like people who aren't annual members. So we get the first box first. We get like kind of like first dibs. We get to pick stuff a little bit earlier than people who aren't annual members. And also, you get to pick, I want to say like everything here I picked from my box. Like, I think there's probably like one thing I didn't pick, but everything else I picked. So you get to pick like 90% of your box, which I think is amazing. So that alone is why I love, you know, being an annual member. It's only, it's $49.99, $50, whatever you want to call it. It may seem like a lot, but when you add everything up, the value is great. And I just like trying sometimes not makeup stuff. I like trying lifestyle stuff too. And sometimes I get stuff I normally wouldn't pick. So like one of the things I'm going to show you, I would have never normally bought it on my own. I always wanted it, but I never would have bought it on my own. So I'm going to show you that in a minute. So I'll go through my book at a later time. I want to get right into the box. So this is a fall box, obviously, because we are in fall season right now. And let's take it and see what we got. So the first thing I see here is, I was super excited to see it in the box because I actually already used this item and it's not cheap, so I didn't want to buy it again, but it is the Sugar Bear Sleep Deep FHTP gummies, or what do you want to call these? Like vitamin? Yeah, they're gummies. They're gummies. Alrighty. So as I said, I love this already. I actually just bought, like, look, it's halfway done already. I don't have that much left in here. I actually just bought this. I did an Ulta haul on one of my videos recently, and this was in here. And I had already told you guys I love this because I don't have a problem sleeping normally, like I do, but I did a lot of traveling over the summer and it was like a different time zone. So coming back to New York, which is where I live, the time zone difference was a couple of hours off and I just couldn't sleep because I was so used to the time zone that I was in. So these helped me fall back asleep until my body got used to like the regularity of going to bed. I normally go to bed around like 10:30, 11, you know, usually around then. So, or just if you can't sleep in general, let me tell you, these will knock your behind out. 30 minutes, make sure you time yourself because in 31 minutes, like give it to, when it gets to 31 minutes, you'll be like falling asleep. Amazing, love these. So now I have a backup. The next thing I actually was excited to get as well, because I actually used that already too, is I picked the Glow Recipe Pink Juice Moisturizer. I love Glow Recipe. I use a lot of their line. The avocado mask is my favorite from Glow Recipe. That was the first thing I ever tried from Glow Recipe, and it made me a believer because you put that on your face and literally the next day your skin feels like a baby's bottom. It makes your skin feel so soft. It's amazing. Everybody must go out there and try it. So speaking of that, I got this and I loved it. It's just like a nice lightweight moisturizer. My skin is oily, so I don't like thick creams. This is very lightweight. This is the one that I currently own, and it's like halfway done as well. Obviously, this is gonna be a full bottle. Is it the same size? Yeah, it's the same size. I guess I had mine for a while because it looks like it's getting a little lighter, unless they like reformulated, but it's the same. Oh, I guess even my bottle's a little different, but it's the same thing. It's the same thing. But yes, your girl loves her some Glow Recipe. So I'll save that to when I finish that moisturizer. So, I mean, would I like to try new stuff that I wouldn't normally have had? Yes, but if I know I love something, I'm just gonna back stock it because I don't want to have to keep buying something if I don't have to. So that explains that. Then I chose the Luxie Brushes. So I thought these were like an Ipsy brand, but they had them in here. So I chose them just because I love brushes. Obviously, you know, I am an artiste. I love makeup. I've worked for MAC Cosmetics, Chanel Cosmetics, White Brown Cosmetics. I've worked for them all. I've been doing this for a very long time. And I just love tools. Tools is what makes your makeup, you know, come out beautifully. And I love trying new brushes. So, and I actually happen to really like Luxie brushes. So this gives us 4 brushes in here. It says Enhance Eye Set, so I'm very excited to try these brushes out. The next thing I got is something from Glossier. It is a birthday balm. I don't think I own anything from Glossier, so this will be my first thing I'm trying from them. It says swipe on lips for a loving layer of nourishing moisture. Very excited to try that. The next thing I got is from Spongel. It's a body wash infused buffer. What scent is this? It doesn't say what scent it is. Let me see if I can smell it. It just smells like, I can't put my finger on the scent, but it's perfumey. It smells very perfumey. And I've had these before. My first time ever trying one of these was from FabFitFun. They normally do a lot of partnership, I guess, with Spongel, because is it Spongel or Spongelli? Spongel? I'm gonna say Spongel. They give these out a lot, but I do actually happen to like them just because like it keeps a lot of this stuff infused in here, so you don't have to keep using, like if you're traveling, you don't have to carry a body wash. Everything's already in here. And it'll last you a while. So just put it in like a big soap dish or like a Ziploc bag and you good to go. So love this. The next thing I got is a daily, what is this? Knit annual bathing. Yes, I think these came together in a kit. I wasn't so thrilled about this. I may just put this in my box of, you know, giveaways, because when I hit 2,000 subscribers, I am having a massive giveaway. So stay tuned for that. But I have so many of these from all the subscription boxes that I've been doing on my channel, from Glossy Box and Allure Beauty Box and just all my boxes, BoxyCharm, Ipsy. I get tons of these like exfoliant mitts from Daily Concept, so I don't need like a 110th one, so I'll save that for like my giveaways. The next thing I got is by Lumify, and it says, what is this? Redness Reliever Eye Drops. Okay, so I definitely didn't choose this, so this must have been something they put in here, and this is the only thing that I would think to say is a womp womp womp. It's eye drops. Like, who's excited to get like eye drops? Not me. But beggars can be choosers, and that's, you know, what comes along with getting like subscription boxes. You're not always gonna like what you get. So if anybody needs some eye drops, let me know, because I don't think I'm gonna keep this. But maybe I'll put it in the box with my giveaways. Works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours. Could be a good thing to put in my kit, like if I do makeup and like the client has red eyes, you could use that. And this is what I'm most excited for. I always wanted an air purifier, because no matter how much I dust my house, I swear, like, the next day dust just pops up like,
ha ha ha, you thought you cleaned me all? We're back again.
And I'm like, I literally have to dust like almost every day. Like, my house gets so dusty. So it's like, the thought of me breathing all that dust in really disturbs me. So, because it's just like dust, you think of dirt, like, you know. So hopefully this will help like purify the air. It says removes up to 99% of airborne particles, pollen, dust, smoke, fume. So let's see how big this bad boy looks in person. So it's actually not that big, which I like, because I can actually put this like beside my bed on my like, whatever you call it, like your nightstands. I can put it like right beside, but it's not too big. It's not too big. It's very, very small. Like, I'll put it beside my head. Do I have a big head? I put it beside my head. See, so you can get a measure of the size. It's not too big. So I'm very excited to use this. Woohoo! I don't have to buy one now. Well, technically, I guess maybe I bought it because I did pay $50 for the box, but obviously, overall, everything is way over $50. So for me, it was a win, minus the drops. What did you guys think about my box? I'm actually surprised and happy for this box. I think this was the best variation for me. just because I liked the majority of the box. And sometimes in the past I was thinking about canceling it because I didn't like a lot of the stuff, but this is the best variation I could have got because I love pretty much everything in the box. Woo woo! But I would say my best and favorite is going to be this. And then I'm excited for these. I'm sorry. Is that weird that I'm excited for some sleeping gummies? Ah, you gotta love it. But anyway, let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think about my box that I received? And like I said, my suggestion to you guys, if you guys want to get the best variation and more bang for your buck for your boxes, I would probably suggest that you guys get the box and get the annual subscription. I know it's a lot to dish out all at once, but you know, you get to pick the stuff first dibs, you get your box early, you want to pick your stuff. If you're paying $50, I would want to pick it so that way I know at least I'm gonna like the majority of stuff in my boxes. So, but you don't gotta take my word for it, do what works best for you, just give it a little suggestion. And that's really about it. I'm gonna film another video right after this. I'm trying to do 2 videos a week. I told myself 2 to 3, but 3 may be pushing it. I'm gonna just bang out 2. You know, I do have a full-time job, so it's hard doing a videos, you know, every single day. Like some YouTubers who, you know, that's like their bread and butter. Unfortunately, I'm not to the point where this is my bread and butter yet, but I still love doing it for you guys. So still continue to watch, so you can throw some support. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and I'll see you guys on my next video.